This is Harry Vocal, sound of Australia, the voice off the street. Australia's weaknesses. Whenever you travelled the world years ago, and all round Australia in itself, all you heard was about the strengths of the Australian, his character, his being, the strengths of Australians. But all we hear these days is the weaknesses, the generations of anxiety, depression, mental health. How did we get here? We got here through you parents giving in to the left and letting mollycoddling to your bloody kids to the point that they're out of control and now they're retaliating. If they're not retaliating, they're suffering from anxiety or depression or mental health. It's a really sad state that you should have seen coming and kept going the way we are. And now, right across this country and the world stage, all we hear is about our weaknesses, not our strengths. It's a real sad state of affairs. This is Harry Vocal.